Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a beauty professional or just someone who enjoys at-home treatments, today's review is all about a product that might just elevate your service game: the Master Massage 28 Argo Portable Massage Table. Whether you're doing massage therapy, lash extensions, or even tattoos, this is a multifunctional piece of equipment that promises both convenience and comfort. Let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The Master Massage 28-inch Argo Portable Massage Table is designed to meet the needs of professionals on the go, with a sturdy build that supports up to 450 poundsers. At just 30 pounds, this portable bed offers a surprising level of durability without sacrificing ease of use. Its dimensions, 28 inches in width, 72 inches in length, and 84 inches with the headrest, provide enough space for your clients to be comfortably positioned during their sessions. Now, in terms of materials, the table is constructed with managed forest hardwood, and it's finished with a rich walnut stain that looks elegant and professional. It's treated with DuraSeal to ensure lasting beauty and resistance to wear and tear, which means it'll hold up well even in high-traffic environments. The upholstery is a cream-colored PU, which is oil and water-resistant, making it easy to wipe clean after every session, a must-have for any beauty or massage treatment. One of the standout features of this table is its customizability. The height is adjustable from 23 to 33 inches thanks to the quick-set adjustable knobs. This means you can easily modify the table to suit your working height or your client's comfort, no matter if you're standing or sitting during a session. Plus, this makes the table a great option for those offering different types of services, ensuring you always have the right setup. In terms of comfort, the 1.5-inch multi-layer small cell foam cushioning really sets the Argo apart. This is a high-density foam that provides a softer, more luxurious feel compared to standard foam. It offers excellent support while keeping your clients cozy during their treatment. If you're providing a service that lasts a while, like a long massage or a tattoo session, this is definitely something your clients will appreciate. The table also comes with accessories that add a lot of value. You get an adjustable face cradle, a standard face cushion, and a carrying case, which makes transporting the table even easier. This is a great bonus for anyone who works mobile or needs to take their equipment to different locations. The convenience factor is definitely a big win here. So let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this table is lightweight yet durable, and its versatility is a major strength, whether you're using it for massage therapy, lash extensions, or tattooing. The high-density foam padding makes it comfortable for long sessions, and the adjustable height means you can cater to clients' needs with ease. The cleanup is also a breeze, thanks to the oil and water-resistant upholstery. As for the cons, there's not a ton to complain about, but it's worth noting that while the table is portable, it might still be bulky for some to carry long distances. Also, if you're someone who needs a table that's incredibly compact for smaller spaces, this might not be the perfect fit due to its size. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this table is definitely worth the investment, especially if you're a professional. For its quality, build, and comfort, the price is reasonable, particularly when you factor in the included accessories and the durability that comes with the high-quality materials used. If you're considering alternatives, there are other portable massage tables on the market, but the Argo's combination of high-density foam, durable finishes, and adjustable height puts it a step above many options in this price range. You might find similar models at a lower price, but those often compromise on comfort or build quality. In terms of build quality and longevity, this table feels solid and well-made. The hardwood construction, combined with the DuraSeal finish, promises long-lasting durability even with regular use. I'd expect it to hold up well over time with proper care. While I haven't had to interact with customer service personally, Master Massage is a reputable brand known for their commitment to quality, so I'd expect them to be responsive should you need any support. In conclusion, the Master Massage 28-inch Argo Portable Massage Table stands out for its blend of comfort, style, and versatility. It's an excellent choice for massage therapists, lash artists, or anyone in need of a reliable, portable table for their beauty services. The high-density foam padding ensures a superior experience for your clients, and the adjustable height and sturdy construction make it a solid investment for any professional. So, is this product right for you? If you're looking for a portable, durable, and comfortable massage table, it absolutely checks all the boxes. Whether you're a beauty professional or just need a versatile table for home use, the Argo is a great option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.